Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hi guys, it's great to have you here again. How are you all doing today?
I hope you're doing amazing and ready to learn English with some real conversations.
That's right. Today's episode is all about improving your English listening skills, but in a fun and natural way.
Yeah, not the boring textbook stuff. We're going to talk, react, and use real-life expressions, just like native speakers do.
Exactly. So if you ever struggle to understand people when they speak fast or use slang, don't worry. This episode will help you train your ears and think in English.
I love that. Think in English. That's the key. And don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Listening is a skill. It grows with practice.
Yeah, so relax, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and enjoy today's conversation.
All right, let's get started.
So, Jennifer, let's start with something simple. What did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up a bit late today. I went to bed really late last night, so I needed some extra sleep.
Oh, I get that. I did the same thing last weekend. Sometimes you just need that little bit of rest, right?
Exactly. After that, I made myself a cup of coffee and went for a short walk. The weather was perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
That sounds nice. I love quiet morning walks. They really help clear your mind before the day starts.
Yes, totally. I think it's one of the best ways to start the day, just some time to breathe and think.
You're right. It's so easy to jump into work or social media the moment we wake up, but taking a moment for yourself, that's a good habit.
Yeah, I'm trying to make that a part of my daily routine.
So after your walk, what did you do next?
I made breakfast, just something simple like eggs and toast, and then I listened to some English podcasts while eating.
Oh, nice. So even you practice listening in the morning.
Of course, listening to real conversations helps me learn natural rhythm and pronunciation, and it's relaxing too.
That's awesome. So guys, you see, even teachers keep listening and practicing.
Yes, and that's exactly what we're doing today, helping you practice listening in a natural, real-life way.
So stay with us. We've got more fun and useful conversation coming next.
And in the next part, we'll talk about how to keep conversations going even when you don't know what to say.
So, Jennifer, a lot of English learners say, I don't know what to say next in a conversation. Do you hear that often too?
Oh, yes, all the time. It's very common. Sometimes people understand everything, but they freeze when it's their turn to speak.
Exactly. So let's talk about how to keep a conversation going even when you don't have a big vocabulary.
Yeah, you don't need to use difficult words. You just need to show interest and react naturally, like in real life.
For example, if someone says, I went to the park yesterday, you can say, oh, really? That sounds nice. What did you do there?
Exactly. Simple reaction plus one question. That's the magic trick to keep a conversation going.
Yeah, that's great. So repeat after us, guys. Oh, really? That's interesting. What happened next?
Those short phrases make you sound natural and friendly. They keep the other person talking and give you time to think of what to say next.
Jennifer, what do you say when someone tells you something surprising?
I usually say, no way, or you're kidding, in a friendly way, of course.
Oh, yeah, that's so common in real English. It sounds natural and shows emotion, too.
Exactly. Real conversations are full of small expressions like that. Wow, that's cool. I see, or oh, I get it.
And the best part? You don't need to memorize long sentences. Just use these small, real expressions to keep your English alive and natural.
Yes, and don't forget, listening carefully helps you answer naturally too. When you really listen, you'll always know what to say next.
That's such a great tip. So everyone listening, try to use one of these phrases in your next conversation.
You'll sound more natural and feel more confident too.
All right, coming up next, we'll talk about how to understand fast English and catch the real meaning behind conversations.
Yes, stay tuned. The next part will help you become a better listener in real life.
Today, we're talking about how to understand fast English conversations.
Yes, sometimes native speakers talk so fast, right? It feels like all the words just melt together.
Yeah, exactly. You hear something like, "What do you want to do?" And you're like, "Wait, what did they just say?"
Yes, but don't worry, it's totally normal. Even advanced learners find it hard at first.
So, Jennifer, what's your number one tip for understanding fast English?
I'd say don't try to catch every word. Focus on the main idea, the key words.
Oh, yeah, that's so true. You don't need to understand every single word to understand the meaning.
Exactly. For example, if someone says, "Hey, wanna grab a coffee later?" Even if you miss wanna, you can still understand. They're inviting you.
And sometimes English speakers connect words, like "I'm going to" becomes "I'm gonna," or "did you" sounds like "did ya."
Yes, that's real spoken English. So don't panic. It's not your fault if you don't hear every sound.
The best way to get used to that is listen to real English, not just textbook audio.
Right. Podcasts, movies, YouTube, anything that has real conversations. The more you listen, the easier it gets.
And you can also shadow, listen, and repeat what you hear word by word. It helps you feel the rhythm of natural speech.
Oh, yes, I love shadowing practice. It's like you become part of the conversation.
Exactly. So everyone, don't worry if English sounds fast now. With practice, your ears will get used to it.
And soon, you'll start to catch phrases like gonna, wanna, gotcha, and lemme. They'll sound natural to you.
Yeah, so keep listening, keep practicing, and don't give up.
You're improving, one real conversation at a time.
All right, everyone, in the next part, we'll share some real conversation tips you can use with your friends or classmates.
Yes, stay tuned. We're just getting started.
If you've been with us since part 1, you already know. We love real English conversations.
That's right. And today, we'll show you how you can practice real-life conversations every single day, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country.
Okay, Jack, let's start simple. What's one easy way to practice speaking English every day?
I'd say talk to yourself. I do that sometimes, actually.
Oh, really? You talk to yourself?
Yeah, I know it sounds funny, but it really helps. Like when you're cooking, walking, or getting ready, you can say things like, "I'm making breakfast," or "I'm going to work."
Oh, I love that. It helps you think in English instead of translating from your language.
Exactly. And if you can, try recording your voice. When you listen later, you'll hear how you really sound and where you can improve.
That's such a great tip. Also, you can use online platforms like language exchange apps to talk with people around the world.
Yes, you can meet people who also want to practice English and make new friends at the same time.
And here's another fun idea. Watch short English videos or clips and repeat the lines. Pretend you're in the movie.
Oh, yes, that's one of my favorites. You can even act out scenes from your favorite shows. It's not only good practice, it's fun, too.
Totally. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. You can sing, talk, and play while learning.
So, remember, you don't need to be perfect when you practice. Just speak more, listen more, and enjoy the process.
That's so true. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
Yes, and confidence is the key to real communication.
In the next part, we'll talk about real expressions native speakers use so you can sound more natural when you speak.
That's going to be awesome. Stay tuned, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Today, we're talking about real English expressions, the ones native speakers use every single day.
Yeah, these are phrases that make your English sound natural, not like a textbook.
Exactly. So, Jack, what's the first expression for today?
Okay, first one. No worries. It's super common. You can say it instead of "you're welcome" or "it's okay."
Oh, yes. Like when someone says, "Thanks for helping me." You can reply, "No worries."
Right, it sounds friendly and relaxed.
What's another one, Jack?
How about, "That sounds good"? You can use it when you agree with someone's idea.
Oh, yes. Like, let's grab lunch later. And you say, that sounds good.
Exactly. It's so natural. Native speakers use it all the time.
I also like saying, I'm down for it. It means I'm okay with that idea or I want to do it.
Yes. Like, do you want to watch a movie tonight? And you say, yeah, I'm down for it.
So much cooler than just saying yes.
True. It sounds supernatural.
Okay, here's another one. I'm just chilling. People say this when they're relaxing or doing nothing special.
Yeah, like when someone asks, what are you doing? You can say, nothing much, I'm just chilling.
It sounds friendly, casual, and natural, perfect for small talk.
Great job, everyone. Try using one or two of these in your next English conversation.
In the next part, we'll show you how to use these expressions naturally in real conversations.
That's going to be fun, so don't go anywhere.
Hey, Jack, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much, honestly. I'm just chilling at home, maybe watching a movie or cooking something simple. What about you?
That sounds good. I'm planning to meet some friends on Saturday. We might go hiking. I need some fresh air.
Oh, nice. I'm down for that too. Hiking sounds amazing. Mind if I join you guys?
Of course not. The more the merrier. We'll start early in the morning, though, around 7 a.m.
Oh, wow, that's early. But hey, no worries. I'll make it. I could use a little morning motivation.
Just make sure you don't fall asleep halfway up the mountain.
No big deal if I do. I'll just chill at the top while you all hike around.
Deal. By the way, I'll bring some snacks and drinks, maybe sandwiches and fruit.
Perfect. That sounds really good. I can bring coffee. Nothing better than coffee with a view, right?
Totally agree. I can already picture it. Peaceful morning, fresh air, and good company.
Yeah. Sometimes that's all we need. A break, a laugh, and good conversation.
Exactly. And speaking of conversation, guys, you just heard how we used real-life English expressions naturally.
That's right. Try using them when you talk to friends. Say things like, no worries, that sounds good, I'm just chillin', and no big deal.
The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound.
And don't forget, learning English should be fun, not stressful.
Yes. Keep practicing, keep listening, and remember, you're improving every single day.
Well said, Jennifer.
Thank you for joining us today on English Podcast with FTJ.
Don't forget to follow, practice along, and share this episode with your friends.
We'll see you in the next one. Until then,
Keep learning, keep smiling, and speak English with confidence.